Hi, kids! Let us learn construction vehicle names. Let's go! Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. It pushes dirt and rocks with its big front blade. Excavator. An excavator uses its long arm to scoop and dig deep holes. Dump truck. A dump truck carries dirt and dumps it out with a big tilt. Cement mixer truck. A cement mixer spins around to mix and pour concrete. Crane. A crane lifts heavy things way up high using a long arm. Backhoe loader. A backhoe has a shovel in the front and a digger in the back. Road roller. A road roller rolls and flattens roads to make them smooth. Skid steer loader. A skid steer is a small but strong machine that scoops and lifts. Grader. A grader smooths out the ground with its long front blade. Forklift. A forklift picks up and moves heavy things with its forks. Trencher. A trencher digs long, narrow holes in the ground for pipes and wires. Tower crane. A tower crane stands super tall and lifts building pieces high up. Pile driver. A pile driver hammers big poles into the ground to make buildings strong. This is a telehandler. A telehandler lifts things up high using a long, stretchy arm. Road sweeper. A road sweeper cleans streets by brushing and vacuuming up dirt and dust. Let us learn different types of truck. Fire truck. This is fire truck. Dump truck. This is dump truck. Garbage truck. This is garbage truck. Tow truck. This is tow truck. Cement mixer truck. This is cement mixer truck. Delivery truck. This is delivery truck. Ice cream truck. This is ice cream truck. Monster truck. This is monster truck. Flatbed truck. This is flatbed truck. Oil tanker truck. This is oil tanker truck. Logging truck. This is logging truck. Cargo truck. This is cargo truck. Refrigerator truck. This is refrigerator truck. Crane truck. This is crane truck. Mail truck. This is mail truck. Police truck. This is police truck. pickup truck. This is pickup truck. Snow plow truck. This is snow plow truck. Water tanker truck. This is water tanker truck. Let us learn emergency vehicle's name. Fire truck. This is fire truck. Fire engine. This is fire engine. Ladder truck. This is ladder truck. Ambulance. This is ambulance. Air ambulance. This is air ambulance. Police car. This is police car. SWAT truck. This is SWAT truck. Police motorcycle. This is police motorcycle. Police helicopter. This is police helicopter. Tow truck. This is tow truck. Rescue helicopter. This is rescue helicopter. Coast Guard boat. This is Coast Guard boat. Snow plow. This is snow plow. Firefighting aircraft. This is firefighting aircraft. Fireboat. This is fireboat. Stretcher van. This is stretcher van. Blood transport van. This is blood transport van. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun educational videos.